A very good morning, Dutch bike blogger here. On my way to IKEA. Going to IKEA to get a new mattress. Well, actually, mattress overlay. It's really. I do have a mattress on my sleeping arrangement, my bed. It's quite a soft mattress, and there was a top mattress on there. It's well a third the thickness of the mattress I'm using at the moment. But I haven't get the new one. I have to get a new one. Old one was gone, ripped, was not salvageable anymore. And this morning I got rid of it. So I have to buy a new one, at least look for a new one. Well, this morning in the neighborhood where I live, we have big shipping containers from the municipality, and there was a possibility to get rid of your things you didn't want anymore. So trash, actually. And the municipality of Groningen is providing the containers. The neighborhood is providing the people who volunteer for working there and collecting the stuff. It was quite busy, I have to say. Also an action that people in the neighborhood do like. I can tell you the mattress I had is now in one of the containers. Well, off to IKEA now. Have a look what they have. If it's a package that is manageable on my shoulders. Otherwise we have some issue. Already quite know what I want, but I have to see the packaging and the weight and see if I'm able to get it on the bike. And if I'm even gonna take it with me, because well, it can be too much and too big, then I have to arrange something else. But first of all, let's see what's in store there. I already saw on the website of IKEA that you can make it as expensive as you want to. I'm certainly not going by the cheapest one, but also not the most expensive one. Somewhere in between what fits my needs and looks a little bit like what I had. The exact model is not available anymore. have the old label ripped off and I know what I had. Mattress of about, well, 160 centimeters by 200. I got to have at least the same size. With a thickness of 5. Hoogrijder. A thickness of 5. I saw on the internet some of 6 or 8, but maybe we have to look for something different. Could be that the old one is also 8 and that it compacted, you know, the bridge is open. That is not something I was expecting and looking forward to. By the way, nice weather, wearing a pair of jeans, some shoes and a t-shirt, and it's still quite warm. Well, just stop for a bit and let's see.
Ik zeg altijd, ze moeten het dan horen overlaten. Eén met een schaap. Wat zou je voorspellen? Ja toch? Ja. De boeren die weten het al. Ja, nou, als je hard naar boeren hoort, maar ja, ik heb geen woord Nederlands. Misschien dat dat... maar Paulus maakt het ook Nederlands. Ja. Ja. Het is wel lekker wat dat inderdaad. Het is mooi weer. Het lekker is de boven. En deze gaat los. Ja. Ja, wat doen we? Ja, beter dan die daar. Ja, nog in ieder geval.
Well, that went quite fast. Well, IKEA inside at 10 o'clock, fire department to the other side. Further, or 2 actually. Made a mistake. Well, I have to put the camera away when I get there, of course. Arrive at IKEA, cannot take the camera rolling and with me inside. Probably not allowed, I'm not gonna try. Looking out for cars on the parking lot. Well, somebody else who rented a bike with a cart on there. Maybe something I should do. Well, the parking garage for bikes looks a little bit busy. Done shopping. Unfortunately, the ride home will have to go on foot. A little bit bigger than I thought, but I managed to step to the bike. I am stupid. I'm over here. IKEA is over there. I accidentally didn't take in account that I have to steer, so actually effectively blocked the steering for a bit, so I have a turning circle of a truck at the moment. So not very smart in hindsight, but well, I'm gonna get there. But unfortunately I have to walk, and I have to take in account that I actually am able to steer very much. Keep you updated. By the way, the file is almost full, so that's why I'm taking it in bits. Just a few meters on, and I'm up the bridge at the moment. Hardest part is over. I have to get down. I just wanted to show you this area. And also the other side. To go. Another part of the walking tour is done. Just wanted to show you the street, the Begoniastraat, built in the 1920s. So it's an older area. Well, there's the contraption with the bike again. Older houses on that straight part of the road. Let's continue. Well, the last leg of my tour to home. My walking tour. Had to readjust my package on the saddle. It was shifted to one side, but we got there. Took a while, but we managed. Little park here. Never been here, at least not on this side. On the bike lane I have been on the other side where the trees are, but not here. Well, in front of me the local fishing pond. I have to go that way. Just give you a better view. There, of course, is my bike. Coming up onto the Korreweg, close to home, still a few hundred meters, but let's see if I can cross the road here somewhere. Well, that's about it. Almost home. Thank you for riding with me for this journey for a mattress. I do wish you all a very nice day. Like the video if you like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll put a link in the description for the mattress I got so you have an image of what it looks like. Have a great day, and like always, be safe out there.